Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make the TeAysha wig. Also, by the way, this is not really a tutorial. It's just kind of, as you can tell, a sped up version of me making the wig. I use BW powder and 40 developer. So I wrapped each section in foil and I left it on there for about 45 minutes, and I proceeded to wash the hair after this. So now I'm just washing the hair in some Shimmer Lights shampoo. I don't use the conditioner, but this works just fine. And then I just ball it up and I left it in there for about 15 minutes. And these are my final results. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Layla said hi in the back. But yeah, the hair still has so much moisture and it's still very soft and shiny. I use Pantene on the hair. I think it's called Color and Correct. But I use Pantene on the hair and it always gives me so much moisture and volume. And these are my final looks. I'll put the links in the description.